All right. Good morning, eighth grade. Hope you're doing well this Thursday morning, right? Yeah, Thursday. Yeah, just like the in the Google Hangout, for those of you that were there yesterday, I said today's work would be the volume practice on page 26 to 28, where you get to do some nice coloring. Hopefully, I would recommend maybe doing this afternoon. It's going to rain, so maybe it's tonight. I'll try to get some outdoor activity this morning and early afternoon, but I heard it's going to rain later today. So I figured I would do a couple of these for you to get you started with some more tricky ones as examples, and then you could do the rest today. So, and then there's obviously going to be the Google Forms that you can put your answers in as well. So let's look at number 12 is the first one I have here, because it says it's kind of what we've been working on today or this week. We're just looking for the radius, but it gives us the radius or the volume as 36 pi. So unless you have a pi symbol on your calculator, it's probably just easier to put this answer instead of an exact answer as an estimate and multiply. So the volume, just do 36 times what pi is as an estimate, 3.14. So for this, you would get 113.04 as an estimate for your volume. So that's your volume. And then number 12, we're looking at a bouncy ball. Okay, this might be tricky because I don't know if we've done one like this, because the radius for if it's a cylinder is cubed, so you're gonna have to cube root at the end. Yikes. All right, let's see what comes out for an answer here. So we know that, let's see, what other information are we given? Not much, because all we have is the radius that we need. So the radius formula, or the formula for a sphere, is 4, and then pi is 3.14 times the radius cubed, all divided by 3. Okay, so just like the cone's formula, I'm going to clear that 3 by multiplying both sides by 3. So 113.04 times 3 is 339.12. And then over here, I'm left with 4, 3.14. Again, this cancels. Radius cubed. So now I'm going to do this part of my calculator. 4 times 3.14. I get 12.56 radius cubed. And then I divide each side by 12.56. All right, so hopefully this gives me something that's easy to cube root. If not, this is going to be a little bit trickier than I thought. Divided by 12.56, I get 27. Easy. So I get r cubed equals 27. So here goes. I need to think of a number that when I cube root both sides, so a number times itself 3 times, that is 27. So it's 9 times 9 times 9 is way too much. How about 3 times 3 times 3? Sounds good to me, because 3 times 3 is 9 times another 3 is 27. So your radius is 3. So you go over to number 12, you go to the Google Forms, you're going to click on 3. Oh, that's so perfect. I'm using dark blue right now to write with. So you would then go to your coloring page, look for number 12. Here's, I don't know how, there's a few number 12s, but here's one here, and you'll color that, sorry, in dark blue, but you'll spend more time and make that look a lot nicer than that. Okay, the next one that we'll do together is number 6. So number 6 says here, it's dark blue or yellow. So it says, how much ice cream can fit in a chocolate cone with a height of 7 and a diameter of 4? So this should be much easier here, but figured warm up and do a few together here. So with a cone, it's volume equals pi r squared times height divided by 3. Now, if the diameter is 4, that means half of 4 is 2 is your radius for this. So I'm going to plug it in here, and we're left with volume equals 3.14, 2 squared times the height of 7, all divided by 3. I'm going to kind of go a little bit, 2 squared is 4. So I'm just going to do my calculator 3.14 times 4 times 7. I get 87.92 divided by 3. And it comes out to 29.3. So hopefully that's one of my choices for number 6. Yeah, it's yellow. So I definitely have a lot of yellow highlighters that I can use. So that's yellow. So then over here, number 6. There's got to be a 6 somewhere that I can make yellow. This little part here that was right in front of me. So this part will be colored in yellow. If you email me when you're done, I can send you the answer key with all the different colors and what it's supposed to look like. And I will get that out to you, but I don't want to put it on Google Classrooms because just everyone will have it. All right, next one I want to do with you is number 9. Figured just do another sphere question because those are sometimes the hardest questions. So number 9, you have this sphere, find the volume. We're either going to go dark blue again or red. I guess you're probably going to be red unless, can you use dark blue twice? I don't know. So let's do the work. Show you work for all of these. So that way when we meet for the Google Hangout tomorrow, we can maybe go over them and show work for some of them. So this one, we're going to do volume equals 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. Plug in the numbers here. Volume equals 4 times 3.14. The radius is 4 cubed divided by 3. I'm gonna, kind of cheat a little bit here. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. So I'm just gonna do the whole numerator in my calculator. So 4 times 3.14 times 64 is 803.84. So that must be my answer right there. Just kidding. It's not, because you still have to divide by 3. And then you get the answer of 267.95. So now go over here. I guess I was wrong. We can use dark blue twice. So all the 9s will be in dark blue. So I will go here, number 9. All right, I'll just do this little. I'll do this little piece in number 9. I can probably color that better. Too lazy. You probably don't want to watch this, but I just went outside the lines. Yeah, just messed up right there. Oh well. So again, good luck with today's volume practice. Color this in. Relax. Be safe today. I'll post the. I might as well. I'll turn this around towards me here. Let's see. And then I'll turn this around here, so I'm not upside down here. So yeah, I will. I'll post the Google Hangouts times for tomorrow. So if you were periods, so I've been going alphabetically A, B, D, E. So I'm going to shift it so A doesn't always have to go first. So it's going to go B, D, E, and then A will go last tomorrow. And I'll look at the times and I'll have that up for you. Also, something I want to try this weekend, a little preview, a little teaser here, is next week. I wanted to do a real world example, and it had to do with more with volume, but it actually has to do with my backyard and a hole I have in my backyard, and dirt. So I'll just leave it there, and that'll be something we do. Work on something for you guys over the weekend, and it'll be kind of an interesting challenge problem next week. All right, have a good day, a good Thursday, and I will. If you have any questions, email me, and I will see you virtually tomorrow during our Google Hangout. Have a good day.